Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to review posts you're tagged in on Facebook using the Android app. Let's walk through the steps together. To get started, open the Facebook app on your Android device to access your account. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture displayed on the screen. Next, tap on the three dots icon located on your profile page to reveal additional options. Select Review Posts and Tags from the Options menu to review posts you're tagged in and manage your tags effectively. By following these simple steps, you can stay informed and in control of the posts you're tagged in on Facebook, ensuring your timeline reflects your preferences and interests. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to review posts you're tagged in on Facebook using the Android app. Stay connected and engaged with your tagged posts by utilizing the review feature to manage your tags effectively. Enjoy